Czy masz odwagę powiedzieć żonom i stałem tam, gdzie stało domo?
Welcome guys, we have a burger from a really nice long chicken, and that's a teriyaki, long chicken teriyaki. We compared the price €7.5, the size quite nice, good for that amount of money. For the price. Long chicken teriyaki, nice, really nice. To be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of teriyaki sauce. I like from time to time, but the teriyaki sauce is based on soy sauce, and this is a really Japanese Asian style of sauce. I'm not the biggest fan, but I like it, and I don't love it, but I like it. The size of the burger for a €7.5, really good size. It's it's smaller than a big beating the XXL, but it's a half cheaper. So €7.5 versus 14, there's difference. And you have a really good great quality chicken. The version with teriyaki, no jalapeno. The hot honey, there was jalapeno. Here, this is not spicy. The whole in the teriyaki style. So it's definitely in Japanese style, but they taste well, and you should try it in a beverage in Germany.
Ty co kobiety chciałbyś zniewolić, pozbawić chciałbyś niewolnej woli. Rządzie biskupie, do was to mówię, wstydzi się was dziś kraj. Nie płaczcie siostry, ducha nie traćcie, uwierzcie w naszą wygraną w walce. Uwierzcie w to, że już niedługo piękniejszy będzie kraj.